Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got three Honda Civic TypeR. All three of those are EK9, 1999 TypeRs, hatchbacks, and they are all from Hot Wheels but different sets, I would say. So that's a Hot Wheels Mainline, that's a Silver Series, and that's a Premium. Now, obviously all three of them are in a different shade, so we can't compare the paint, but there are certain things which you can basically see in the paint which looks different, and I'm just gonna talk about it and show you all the other differences which you have when you compare Mainline, Silver Series and Premium. So as the name suggests, it's the Mainline, the starting point. Premium is the most premium you normally get from Hot Wheels, and Silver Series is a new mid between Premium and Mainline. So I'm gonna start with the visuals. You can see the paints, what are common and then what's different. So something common, so this casting even in the Mainline state is a good casting. It has some good details and it continues. You can see all three of them have painted headlamp, Honda badges in front. Now other things which you will see which are slightly different, obviously the paint, it's finished in white. The Silver Series has a purple paint with this black hood, which looks slightly better than the Mainline. When you get a Premium, it's in the spoon livery, so it has got yellow paint. You can see carbon fiber kind of texture on the hood. Also, if you see, there are other details, like you can see the moldings on the roof, ditch moldings are blacked out. You can also see the small antenna there, if you see the black one. And also you can see some more details here. That's just talking about the top. Now if we move to the driver's side, let's do this. So again, few things you will notice. First, obviously the paint job is different in all three of them, but if you look at other details like the wheels, so multi-spoke white wheels, 5-spoke white wheels, slightly I would say it's not the best wheel, but still slightly better than those. And then obviously on the Premium you have got rubber tires and those 5-spoke black wheels which look good. So those are the difference when it comes to wheel. These two have plastic, this one has a rubber tire. Also other details which you can see from the side, again comes to my details, right? So the B pillar on the Silver Series and on the Mainline, they don't have any detail on them, they're just a part of the plastic. Even the B pillar on this one has, like, it's part of the plastic, but you can see it's blacked out, so you got more details there. And yeah, so you can see the details on the side are different. Now coming to the rear, all three of them have painted tail lamps, but again all three of them have different kind of details. So if you see this one, Mainline, very simple red paint with kind of swinging reverse lamp in the middle, single exhaust. Now if you see the Silver Series, slightly better paint, slightly more darker, and can see the differentiation much better. Both of them have TypeR badge, Hot Wheels on the number plate, and single exhaust. Now if you look at the Premium, so the paint and even the detail on the tail lamp is much better. It's not as simple as even Silver Series if you look. So better paint, like paint has more glare in it, shine in it, and the internals are better detailed here. Same Honda badge, same single exhaust, so that's different. Also if you look, the trim around the rear window is blacked out on the Premium, which isn't on either Silver Series or Mainline. Weight is obviously different because of the metal base of the Premium. So even on the rear you can see there's a lot of difference when it comes to detail. Interior, the Mainline has a red interior, the Silver Series has a yellow, and this is a dark red, which is much more closer to what you see on the TypeR. So those are the major differences which you can actually see. One thing I forgot to mention, so if you see on the Premium there's a tint, spoon livery obviously, please don't have that. Now another thing, if you look closely, let me see if you can see any difference. So on the front here, on the Silver Series, you will see like there's the blacked out interior here. The grille is also blacked out, which you don't see on the Mainline. Same goes for the Premium. So on the Premium, again, you will see there are much more details. You can see the grille is blacked out. You can see the vents on the side here are also blacked out, which you don't see on Premium or Silver Series. So the reason for comparing these three was because they are based off of the same platform. They have been produced for a long time, and you can see all these three. They are priced differently, but you can see what they offer, and they look similar, but still they are so different. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to show here. All these three are really nice casting. I think Hot Wheels has done a good job with this platform. So those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.